Okay, let's review two different air conditioners. These are not identical. One is made by LENNOX, one is made by Allied. Again, we see similar packaging. LENNOX box has print on a box. Allied product doesn't have logo from the factory. There is no logo. Whoever buys a lot and sells a lot can put their own logo on these units. I'm a little bit surprised. Maybe LENNOX unit is actually a taller unit. I know for sure that this is kind of 14 SEER model 1.4, but when these units are matched with ultra low NOx furnaces, which is requirement right now in California, and I know that all ultra low NOx furnaces, they come with ECM blower motors, constant torque motors, and when they matched with those ultra low NOx furnaces, your system efficiency is usually not 14 SEER but 16 SEER, which is 1.6, and it is true for system sizes up to 3.5 tons. So if you even get basic system from Allied, you can get actually 16 SEER and you don't have to pay extra for it. 16 SEER is pretty efficient unit because right now minimum is 14 SEER in California and 13 SEER in other states. So let's have a look what we have inside these boxes. We can see that both units, it says assembled in Mexico. I know that their two-stage units are assembled in USA. So let's have a quick look. I know. So what do we have? Two similar looking units built from same metal thickness. I believe LENNOX model, maybe a little bit newer model, that's why it's a little bit taller. We can see that cutouts on sides are a little bit different. LENNOX unit has a logo, Allied unit has no logo from the factory. This way is gonna be better. So this is the sticker on the Allied air conditioner. This is the sticker on the LENNOX air conditioner. So both units equipped with user manual. Both units have filter dryer and metering device in case if you are retrofitting old evaporative coil. By the way, we do not compare an evaporative coils because evaporative coil most likely will be ADP, and what's the point if you get ADP coil no matter what brand you're getting with? Is a Carrier, Trane, American Standard, LENNOX, Allied, they all sold with ADP coils most of the time. So what we have here, we have capacitors, and this is most common part that fails, and I am actually honestly expecting at least capacitors to be different. So let's have a look at capacitors. We have 100 335-12, part number in Allied unit 100 335-12. Okay. Also we could check actually condenser fan motors. This is next part. We have model which is YSLB-130-8-B003, and in a LENNOX unit we have YSLB-130-8-B003. Condenser coil time. let's have a look inside Allied unit. LENNOX unit time. What do we have inside? Inside we have aluminum condenser coil,